Good morning children, welcome back to Ma'am's today's English class. So what did you learn in the last class about our online class? Yes, in the last online class we have discussed about block 21. There was a lesson, eat healthy and feel great. There we met one girl. What she is doing in the beginning of that essay? Yes, every time she used to eat junk food. The word junk. Tell me, what do you mean by the word junk? Fast food. It is a type of food or it is anything that doesn't have much value. That is meant by the word junk. So that girl every time used to eat these type of burger, sandwich, then yes, samosa, curd rice, bhel puri. These all are the things that she is eating every day. But what happened? What happened to her? Yes, she couldn't win the race. She lost the prize in that running race. So she met her auntie and she gave some advices to her. What is the word that we learn? Balanced diet. Diet means, yes, what we eat and what we drink. But balanced diet means that we need to make a control on the food. Got it? So this is what we discussed. Then also we discussed about the term fact and opinion. Did you remember that? What do you mean by the word fact? Yes, fact means that is something always true and it can be proven. We cannot be changed. We can't change these statements like sun is hot. You can't change that statement. We know that and it is proved. So that is a fact. But what about this opinion? That means what you feel or what you think. That means opinion. About your judgment, about your thinking, about your feeling. You will say like, I am so happy, or I felt this way, or I like these things, about your wishes. That is meant by this opinion. If ma'am is telling that the tea is tasty, the tea is delicious, but some of you would say like, no, madam, I am not agree with you. I don't like tea. It is not tasty. I like coffee. So what all are these? Yes, these all are the opinion. So that is the main difference between fact and opinion. This is proved one. This is scientifically proved one. But this is not proved one. Means it will be different for each and every person. That is meant by opinion. So children, this all was about our previous class. So let's begin our today's class. So here, after this lesson, we can see two essays. After this essay, eat healthy and feel great. So you have to open that, keeping our surroundings clean. This is the title. So there you can see two essay A and essay B. This is also something related to our surroundings today. Okay, so let's get started. First essay. We should not throw things because it looks dirty. It is also not good for animals because they can die. We should not litter in our surroundings because it is a bad thing to do. What do you mean by the word litter? That means dropping or without properly disposing. That is made by this litter. So we should not litter in our surroundings because it is a bad thing to do. Use dustbins to throw things away in the house and don't throw them out. Keep your neighborhood clean and tidy. If it is not clean and tidy, then what will happen? Yes, you can fall sick. You will fall ill. I will keep my house clean. So just telling about how to clean your house and surroundings. Then let's see the second one. We must not litter and keep our neighborhood clean. Clean surroundings make us feel healthy, happy and comfortable. It is also very important to animals. Think about how you feel seeing garbage on the ground, seeing waste on the ground. Yuck. We feel more comfortable and happy when our neighborhood is clean. Keeping things clean also leads to better health. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in places with a lot of garbage and water. They cause diseases like malaria. Germs from the garbage can easily get into our food and water. This can cause us to fall ill. Clean surroundings also help birds and other animals to stay safe. So we must always remember that we share the earth with our animal friends. When they eat plastic, they cannot breathe. Sometimes they drink dirty water too. They can fall sick and even die from this water. Keeping our surroundings clean is not difficult at all. We must always throw garbage into dustbins. Plastics and paper should be recycled. I promise to do everything I can to keep our country beautiful, clean and healthy. So children, while I am reading this essay, here you have seen so many images. What about all these things? We can see that if the people is throwing all the waste nearby the road, then so many animals are passing nearby the road, So if the animals are eating all those plastics, then what will happen? Yes, of course, they can't take breathe. So it is very dangerous. So you don't want to throw these type of waste nearby the road. And also you have to keep your house and surroundings clean. Then only you will become happy, healthy, powerful and strong. Right children? So this is how we can understand something, some meaningful messages from this essay. Am I right? Okay, fine. So children, in the last class we have completed that S1 about this facts and opinion. Did you remember it about fact and opinion? Yes, it is always true, always real and proven, and also we cannot change that. But what about this opinion? Yes, it will be changed. For each and every person, they will have their own opinions. They will have their own judgment, their own thinking, their own feelings. Okay, so now let's do this. S2, eating healthy food, from the page number 26. See, these all are very easier to do. So let's see this first one. Write fact or opinion and explain why it is a fact or an opinion. So this is simple. Means we already learned this fact and opinion. And also I told you how to easily identify this fact and opinion. How can we identify this difference between fact and opinion? Yes, you can think about yourself that whether is it always true or can it be proven. Okay, this is how you can think. So let's see the first one. The girl felt very tired. Look at this statement. Look at this sentence. The girl felt very tired. Tell me, is it a fact or opinion? Yes, it is telling about that girl's feeling. I told opinion means what you feel or what you think. So here it is telling about that girl's feeling. Right? So this sentence is an opinion. So in that blank you can write opinion because the reason. How to write the reason? Yes, you will write it is only the feeling of that girls, right? And we cannot prove it. Opinion we cannot prove it, but fact we can prove it. That is the difference between fact and opinion. So this is only talking about that girl's feeling, and we cannot prove. So we can say that it is an opinion. Okay, then B, the girl had eaten curd rice for lunch. Tell me, fact or opinion? Yes, it is the truth. It is the reality. Right? In that story we have seen every time that girl used to eat this junk food. So tell me, fact or opinion? Yes, it is a fact, and you have to write the reason because we can prove it. The fact, always we can prove it. So you can write there because we can prove it. How to prove? How to prove? Yes, you can prove by asking to her mama, right? Her mother is there. So you just go to her mother, then ask to her. Then she will tell whether she is doing this or she ate this lunch or not. Got it? So here you can write this. We can prove if the girl actually ate this curd rice for lunch by asking to her mom. Okay. So this is how children you can do this first and second question. Then let's see the second one. Write one fact from the story to support the opinion. So here one opinion is given. What is that opinion? Read it. Yes, the girl had not eaten anything that was good for her body. Who told this opinion? Whose opinion is this? Yes, check the story. Yes, as you are taking the story, while taking this second page, the third paragraph from the story, or else you can see the picture, somebody is sitting nearby her. Who is that? Yes, that is her Andy. So, whose opinion is this? Yes, of course, that Andy's opinion. She told that the girl had not eaten anything that was good for her body. So, what is the fact? Yes, what is the truth? Why that Andy is telling this? Which are the food items that the girl is using, that the girl is eating? Yes, tell me. In the second paragraph from the same page, you can see that she asked me what I had eaten all day. What is the fact? What is the truth? What is the reality here? Yes, it is instant noodles for breakfast, samosas at break time, and curd rice for lunch and cake in the evening. So children, this is the fact. Means this is the truth. This is the reality. So that you can write it here in question number 2. Then see this question number 3. Are the types of food shown in the food pyramid facts or opinion? And why? So children, the same pyramid, this triangle shape we can see in this story also. Right? Look at that food items in this pyramid. Yes. These all are healthy food. Am I right? Bread, roti, rice, fruits, vegetables, fish, milk. So many things are there. So, the question is, are these all types of food shown in the food pyramid? Facts or opinion? Yes, it is fact. How you can say that it is fact? Because we can prove. How to prove? How to prove all about this food? Yes, we can say that this milk contains calcium and fruits have vitamins. Like that, we can take each and every food items from this pyramid. So, it is telling about a healthy food. It is good for our body. So, it is a fact. So, you can write the answer like the details given in the food pyramid are fact. Because we can prove that the milk has calcium and the fruits, from the fruits will get many vitamins. Right? This is how you can write this. Okay. Then let's see this next page also. S3, supporting opinions with facts. So children, whenever you are doing this workbook, you can write the date. Okay. Write the date first. Then do this supporting opinions with facts. So here you can see that some opinions and facts. So based upon the questions we can do this. First one, swimming is the best exercise. Somebody tells this, right? Yes, maybe it is someone's opinion. That is why it is telling like swimming is the best exercise. We know that not only swimming, there are so many other exercises, right? Skating, jumping, running, these all are the exercises. From those exercises, swimming is the best exercise. So, it is one's opinion. So, which fact best supports this opinion? Yes, it is given like which fact, which true things, which proven things that supports this opinion. Yes, look at that option. Swimming started in the 1st century. Is there any matching with this opinion? No. Then B, swimming makes the heart and lungs strong. Yes, it is supporting this given opinion. Then C, swimmers eat peanuts for energy. Swimmers eat peanuts for energy. Only they are eating these peanuts for getting the energy? No, they are eating so many other food items also. So here, which one is right? Yes, the option B will be the correct answer. So you need to put a tick mark over there, or else you can just write that option below that. Okay, here in the space you can write. Then question number 2, green vegetables have many vitamins and minerals. So just think about it. Fact or opinion? Yes, it is telling the truth. It can be proven. It is scientifically proved things. What is it? Green vegetables have many vitamins and minerals. So, which opinion best fits this fact? What is it? We should eat green vegetables every day? Yes, it is almost supporting this fact. Green vegetables are not tasty? No. Then we should not eat vegetables regularly. So children, tell me which one is supporting this given fact? Yes, the first one will be supporting. So you can put a tick mark over A. Then 3, write an opinion that fits with the fact. Okay, so here one fact is given. So you have to write an opinion that fits, that's supporting with this given fact. So what is the fact? Milk makes your bones strong. So with this fact, can you tell me your opinion? Yes, we should drink milk if you want strong. Right. So this is how you can make any opinion. Okay. Then this question number 4. Write 2 facts to support the opinion. 2 facts to support. So opinion is peacocks are the most beautiful birds. So for this you have to write 2 facts. Yes, how to write? We can write like the true things about peacock. Okay, this how you can think. Peacock feathers are blue, green and golden color. This is how you can write. Also we can write peacock has crown on their head. Like this you can write 2 facts. Okay, this is how you have to complete this S2 and also this S3. Okay, then let's do your practice question also. So for this, please take out your practice questions, facts and opinion. Okay, so the first one, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the story. The first one, we must eat a dash to keep our body healthy. Yes, what we have to do, what the doctor told her to do. Yes, balanced diet. Then second one, burgers, pizzas and chocolates are all dash food. Which food? Fast food or junk food? Yes, it is junk food. J-U-N-K. Then C, fruits and vegetables have many dash. There also we learn one new word. What is it? Look at the glossary part. Appreciate, diet, junk or nutrients. Which one you have to write it there? Yes, it is nutrients. Then D, once you start eating healthy food, your tongue will start appreciating its taste. So the word appreciate, that means understanding or accepting something. Okay, so that word you can write it in D. Then let's see this question number 2. Write fact or opinion in front of each sentence. So like we did in this workbook. And the same how you can do this one also. We should not eat too much junk food. Say opinion or fact. Yes, it is an opinion. Then green vegetables have many vitamins and minerals in them. Fact or opinion? Yes, of course it is fact. Then see, running is a great form of exercise. I told not only running, there are so many other exercises. So this is an opinion of someone. So there you can write. Then D, swimming makes your muscles stronger. Yes, it is a fact. So this is how children you can do this practice question 1 and 2 in this textbook itself. Okay. Then let's see this question number 4. That is also so simple. Name any 3 junk foods and any 3 healthy foods. Yes, you can write the junk foods like burger, pizza, ice cream. Then what about this healthy food? Yes, you can write like fruits, vegetables, milk. Like that you can 3 junk food and healthy food. Then question number 5. We must eat healthy food. Write 2 facts to support this opinion. Yes, we must eat healthy food. It has nutrients. Also, it prevents us from falling sick. Okay. Then see this question number 7. So here you can see this question number 6. So that is we are not doing. Okay children. So you just skip the question number 6. So there you need to put a cross mark like this. Okay. That is we are not taking. Means it is not important. So let's skip this question number 6 and see this question number 7. Why did the girl lose the race? Why did the girl lose the race? Yes, we know that she had been eating only junk food and did not have energy to run fast. That is why the girl lost. She lost the race. This is how you can do this 7. And also children, see this question number 8. That also you can do. Okay. That is about what is a balanced diet. Yes, it is a diet and that has enough carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fats. Right. This is what we learn in this story. So children, this question number 9 that you have to write it in your own way in this page itself. Okay. Here in this space you can write about your favorite food and why do you like it. You can write the reason also. Okay. So that is you can do it in this textbook itself. So in this question number 1, 2 and question number 9 you can do it in this textbook itself, and we will skip this question number 6 from this block and the remaining questions 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay, the questions 4, 5, 7 and 8 you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so hope you clear this. So in this today's class also we have clearly discussed about this fact and opinion. Fact means it is some things that is always true and also it can be proven. That is about this fact. But this opinion means what you think or what you feel. That is about this opinion. So hope you clear this and we'll meet in the next class. If there is any doubt, you can just contact me. Okay, fine. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.